What's up, guys, and welcome back to Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Sometimes on our lunch breaks here, we like to detail our cars. As you can see, Peter out there, he's working on his for the weekend. I've got a hot date tonight myself, so I figured I would show you guys 5 really quick, easy ways to spruce up your ride before a date. The first thing you want to do is take care of any interior clutter and vacuum everything out that you've got in there, all the dirt and debris that's on your mats. Just that one step alone, if that's the only thing you have time for, will make a world of difference. When somebody enters a car, the first thing you notice is the floor mats, because that's where you put your feet, right? So I already took care of that, and now we're going to move on to step number 2, which is clean your interior. So if there's one product that's going to save you a bunch of time and get everything done in one shot, it's going to be Total Interior. Now, I'm not sure if you guys know this, but Total Interior actually comes in a variety of scents. So you have your original, which is the blue label. You've got your black cherry, which is the red label. And exclusive to Detail Garage is the JDM squash scent. You could pick this up at your local Detail Garage, check out chemicalguys.com, and use the store locator to find the one nearest to you. This is the one I'm going to use today. And basically, this is going to cover almost every single aspect of our interior. So just a quick wipe down on the whole thing will get us smelling good and looking good in no time. Put a couple sprays on your towel and just wipe down the interior. And you can see already all the dust that was up on my dash is already gone. And oh man, I wish you could smell this. It is a nice squash scent. Total Interior works on almost every part of your car. The dash, glass, navigation, cloth, leather. It works on everything. So basically, I'm going to hit the steering wheel right here as well. Give my microfiber towel a nice little spray and wipe. Now, one other item that works great in conjunction with Total Interior is the All in the Details interior brushes. When you get to something like, say, your center console, you can give it a couple sprays with this and then use the brush to basically get deep into the pores and really activate that cleaning action. You can see from all the foam that's getting generated that we're penetrating deep into the pores with this, really uplifting any dirt, grime, and debris and body oils that might be on here from my elbow, as well as the handbrake right here. Once you're done with that, just take your clean microfiber towel, wipe that excess off, and that is a nice, clean, fresh console right there. This also works great inside of cup holders and areas that you can't exactly reach with your hand and that have difficult little pieces like that crunching sound.
No pressure, I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you 1 in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. 'Cause I'll go anywhere, anywhere, just as long as you're with me. 'Cause girl, I know that you get me. So I'll go anywhere.
Hit your entire car with a quick detail spray. Now, I just washed my car yesterday, so it's really pretty clean. There might just be a light layer of dust or debris, and really my goal here is just to make it shine a little extra. So you might not be going on a date like I am, but maybe you're going to a car show and you arrive and just driving there, you're gonna kick up some dirt and dust on your car and you want it to look its best. So definitely hit it with a quick detail spray. You can use really any of them. It's all your personal preference, but I personally prefer Hydro Speed just because I like that cool crystalline shine, and I want to add a little bit of an extra ceramic boost to my already existing ceramic protection. But if you want a warm glow, feel free to use Blazing Banana. Most times for this car, I actually use Hybrid V07 just because the color is the same and I kind of like that. Even better yet, you can use both. So I might hit this first with a little bit of Hydro Speed and then come back and hit it with a second pass of Blazing Banana to give it more of that Carnauba glow on top of the ceramic. Hydro Speed works on paint, glass, you name it. Just a quick spray and a wipe. Look at that. There's a line of dirt coming off as well. So there is stuff that's on my car, even though I just washed it yesterday. There's a little bit of light dust and dirt and debris. So basically, all you've got to do is wipe. A quick detail spray is perfect for in-between washes, just giving you that little bit of maintenance. Imagine I did this every 2 days, right? Just a little bit of dirt coming off on here. But now I don't have to worry about washing my car in terms of a heavy wash because I've taken off the very little bit of dirt and grime that has hit my car in the days since my last wash.
'Cause I'll go, so I'll go anywhere. 'Cause I'll go, so I'll go anywhere. I don't even care about like the way they looking at us, cause I know they wish they had it and they know we doing damage to the game. I don't care about the stereotype. I can never do it mono, we the stereotype. I'm talking left, right link, I'm talking left hand ring. I'm talking this right here forever, we ain't here just for the summer. Always on 10, we ain't never had to come up. Young right now, but we
If you want to add that warm glow to the top of this bright finish, you can add Blazing Banana Spray Wax, which has natural carnauba wax inside of it. So simply spray and wipe that down. This product may haze a little bit after you wipe it down. That's just the wax that's in there. So as soon as you wipe, let it haze up just a little bit, and then grab a dry side of your microfiber towel and simply buff off the wax, revealing a nice warm glow. The next quick tip is to take care of your glass. I like HydroView for all my glass needs. Again, this has ceramic inside, so I know I already kind of touched upon that with the Hydro Speed, but in my opinion, you can't ever have enough protection. So same thing, simply wipe in linear motions on your glass, and voila, streak-free, crystal clear glass, except for what looks like the inside here. So we're definitely going to want to hit the inside of this glass as well. You can see on this glass, I can wipe the outside, but I've got some puppy nose marks all throughout the interior of this vehicle. So we're just going to crack the third door open here and just wipe down the interior here. If you need a bit of extra cleaning juice, you can actually position your microfiber towel underneath and give the spray direct to a window. And that'll avoid the overspray as well. Another quick tip is to actually roll your window down and you'll be able to get that top portion which was covered before. All right, since we're back in the interior here with the glass, take care of your trim. So here we've got Silk Shine Protectant and a microfiber applicator. Just spray a little bit on there and tackle your dash, vinyl, rubber, and plastic pieces of your car. This adds a little bit of gloss as well as UV protection on your interior. So just one line is good enough for reapplying. This will refresh, revitalize, and renew any vinyl, rubber, and plastic pieces in your car. As you can see by the center console, it's giving it a nice little, literally silk shine look to it. And when that dries, it won't be as shiny, but it will still look nice and be protected as if it was new.
It was an easy decision, I had to marry it. Honeymoon, I'ma put you on a chariot, and they don't make them like you no more. No pressure, I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. 'Cause I'll go anywhere, anywhere, just as long as you with me. 'Cause girl, I know that you get me, so I'll go anywhere.
Not only does Silk Shine revitalize your interior vinyl, rubbers, and plastics, but also your exterior. So you can give your microfiber applicator another spray and just take care of all those plastic pieces that you have accenting your car. Now that is looking nice. Now, along with the exterior trim and interior trim with Silk Shine, we also have the tires, right? The wheels could look really nice. So I'm gonna use nice and wet tire shine trim coating. Since this is just a quick job, I can just kind of quickly just give it a nice little once over spray. This gives my tire the beautiful appearance that I'm looking for very quickly. Now if it's too shiny for you, you can grab a microfiber towel and just kind of work that product in, and that way it dries it up a little bit and makes it dry to the touch right there. You can see there's no liquid on my finger here. I rub it on here, there's still no liquid on my finger. It is dry to the touch and it looks great. Now to avoid spraying your rims, you could place a microfiber towel right at the edge here as you spray, unless you're a really good shot with a aerosol can. That'll minimize overspray and provide less work for you to have to clean up right after. Now your wheels are not going to be perfect this way, but it's quick and easy to make it look good before a show. And finally, tip 5, for as Henry likes to call it, the pièce de résistance. Apply an air freshener. This is gonna go miles into how your car is presented to someone that gets inside, right? So you can do something very basic like new car smell or leather scent. Either one of these are fine, right? All you're gonna do is turn on your AC, set it to circulate, go full blast, and then you're gonna spray the carpet on the passenger side. What this will do is will get absorbed into the air well and blow it back out through your vents, filling the entire car with that new car smell. Now the scent that you use is not important. What's important is your personal preference. So me personally, inside here, I've got two of my favorite smells: fresh glazed donut and rising coffee. Now, if you're like me and you're kind of weird, you can even create what I call scenes. These are almost like flavor profiles, right? Like rising coffee is great on its own, but if I spray one spray of rising coffee and two sprays of fresh glazed donut, the scene that I'm creating right here is coffee shop or donut shop, right? Now my car smells like a donut shop because it's got both of these guys in there. Feel free to come up with your own scenes by mixing your own scents. For example, zesty lemon lime with buttered up. Smells like movie theater, right? That's like the soda and the popcorn mixed together. Or you could even mix signature scent with cold hard cash, which smells like, you get the idea. Anyway, that wraps up my 5 quick tips on things you can do before a date. The car looks amazing. It's ready to go for tonight. And one bonus thing you can do is, in today's day and age, it's kind of nice to stay protected. So I'm bringing along 88 hand sanitizer, the wild pear scent, which is my favorite. It smells amazing and feels good on your hands. 80% alcohol. So what I'm gonna do is pop that in the passenger seat right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a fat like. Subscribe if you're not already for more content, and leave a comment down below on what you thought of this, if you have any other quick tips for other people, or what kind of videos you want to see next time. This is Jason, Chemical Guys Detail Garage, and we'll see you next time.